type of cactus in the tree. Small tree.
I know, it's
Yeah. The tree lover. Nature lover. Type of cactus. Friendly, quite friendly. Look at this guy. So cute. Sit in the tree. Then look, enjoying the place, enjoy sitting, enjoy nature, enjoy environment, enjoy weather, enjoy view from here, sitting and watching, keep looking around the place. It means the cat also loves nature and the sightseeing, nature views. Look, it's amazing, guys. Wow. Look. Funny, isn't it? So anyways, I love it. I was lucky that at the same time I got the chance to take video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoying the video. And thank you for keep liking and commenting, and who already subscribed. Thank you so much for my subscriber, YouTube family, and who is new. If you are keep watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share is okay. If you want, you can do it. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye. See you next video. That's nature best. That's